मैं पिछले 9 सालों से एनिमे देख रहा हूं। मैंने 700 से ऊपर एनिमे कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं। तो क्या मैं किसी बंदे की शक्ल देख के ये बता सकता हूं कि वो एक सुपर फैन है या फिर एक फेक फैन है? आज मैं उसी को टेस्ट करने के लिए YouTube पे आ गया हूं। एक चैनल है जिसका नाम है जुबिली, जो कि ऐसी वीडियोस बनाता है। वो 6 लोगों को एक साथ में बिठाते हैं, उसमें से 5 लोग जो हैं वो एनिमे सुपर फैंस हैं, बट एक बंदा जो है वो एक इम्पोस्टर है, एक फेक फैन है। तो अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि वीडियो खत्म होने से पहले क्या मैं गेस कर सकता हूं और करेक्टली ये बता सकता हूं कि वो एक फेक फैन कौन है, बेस्ड ऑन द होल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड सर्कमस्टेंसेस दैट दे क्रिएट। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट।
We brought together 7 anime superfans.
ऑलराइट, ओके। मेरे पास 7 लोग दिख रहे हैं, जिसमें से आई थिंक 1 2 3 लोगों ने, 3.5 लोगों ने कॉस्प्ले किया है, क्योंकि जो नीचे मिडिल वाला है, ये वाला भाई साहब, इसने सिर्फ टी शर्ट पहनी, हुडी पहनी है। बट ये सुना दे मॉमी, देख सुना देना बहुत ऑब्वियस कॉस्प्ले हो गया। अब तो मैंने भी कर लिया है। आई थिंक ये वीडियो थोड़ी पुरानी है। लेट मी सी ये वीडियो है कितनी पुरानी, 5 साल पुरानी वीडियो है। एंड द फैक्ट दैट आई एम वाचिंग इट फर्स्ट टाइम एवर, मैंने इसको बिल्कुल पहले नहीं देखा। ये मेरे रिकमेंडेशन में आई और मैंने कहा कि भाई नहीं, मैं तुम लोगों के साथ देखूंगा। सो दिस इज हाउ वी आर डूइंग इट टुगेदर। तुम भी बाय द वे गेस कर सकते हो कि वो फेक फैन कौन है। लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो, हम साथ में खेलते हैं। दिस गर्ल लुक्स लाइक अ प्रॉपर सुपर फैन बिकॉज आई एम रेसिस्ट। वो थोड़ी एशियन लग रही है। This girl is looking very annoying. I don't know what cosplay she's doing. किसी गेम का कर रही है I think. Tsunade, I think everybody knows Naruto at least, even if उसने anime देखा भी ना हो। 1 नंबर, 2 नंबर और 4 नंबर मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है। और ये 6 नंबर जो है ये थोड़ा सा लग रहा है, क्योंकि इसने Demon Slayer पहनी है। Demon Slayer काफी पॉपुलर है आजकल।
But
Let's
one
see.
is a liar.
One is a
If
liar.
the group discovers who the liar is, they'll win the cash prize.
Cash
If the
prize
liar
मिलेगा।
survives, they win the cash prize.
ओके, बेसिकली अगर वो लायर सर्वाइव कर जाता है एंड तक तो उसको पैसा मिलेगा, और अगर वो आउट हो जाता है, लाइक बाकी सारे उसको नॉमिनेट करके अपनी शिप से बाहर निकाल देते हैं, जस्ट लाइक अमोंगस, तो वो बाकी सबको पैसा बट जाएगा। ओके, ऑड मैन आउट।
Question that's gonna get asked is,
Gabriel.
what's your favorite anime?
If you know obscure anime,
Jennifer.
that really helps. You can't tell me your favorite underrated anime.
जूडल, ये जो दीदी है ना, ये मेरे को बहुत सस लग रही है। इवन दो शी इज डन अ वेरी गुड कॉस्प्ले, दिस इज जस्ट समथिंग दैट शी बॉट ऑफ अ स्टोर। तो खुद नहीं बनाया, वो दिख रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने जो कॉस्प्ले किया था सुनादे वाला, वो भी ऐसे ही था। दिस फील्स लाइक अ वेरी इजी वे टू गेट इनटू I like anime territory.
That means you clearly haven't watched enough anime to be an anime superfan.
Like, I think I'm gonna talk about things that you had to watch the show to know.
This guy, I genuinely think has seen anime. इसकी just vibe में वो है कि नहीं भाई मैंने तो देखे हैं।
I'm gonna talk about things that you had to watch the show to know.
I think it's very hard
See, उसने बोला you had to watch the show to know that thing. तो वो ऐसी चीजें, वो underrated चीजें, hidden चीजों के बारे में बात करने वाला है।
to actually try and pretend you're an anime fan.
I'm just really excited to play this
और इसने वो किया है कोनोसुबा वाला cosplay। हाँ,
game and see how my detective skills are.
she's clear. She's actually an anime fan.
I'm getting dokis right now, but I'm so excited and I'm ready to do my best.
Okay, इसको भी, इस पे मेरे को थोड़ा सस है। I just don't like how she talks. Katie.
Gambarimasu!
Okay, गंबरीमास। अगर आपने ताकीशीज़ कासल देखा है तो आपको ये डायलॉग आता होगा। Round 1, chat. What is an obscure anime that you love?
Ooh, obscure. Let's see how obscure can we get.
हाय, ये बड़ा क्रिंज अमेरिकन गाय नहीं लग रहा कि oh my god, let's see how obscure we can. Shut up. Aoharu Ride, okay. Kaiba.
Kaiba doesn't have a lot of dialogue, which makes it special.
Kaiba मैंने भी
I
देखा।
love lots of animes.
Katakuri
Category.
Circus.
Oh Lord, it's going.
Category circus.
There's too many
Whoa! What is she doing?
people talking at the same time.
The shakes, the ship. I'm getting distracted. Sorry.
Wait, Banana Fish is not really that obscure.
Banana Fish is solid.
All right, Kurt. Banana fish is solid. Hot take, least favorite.
Gabriel थोड़ा सस हो रहा है।
Where does everyone watch anime? So we might get some illegal sites. We might get like Crunchyroll, Hulu, Netflix. So we're gonna see.
Where does
भाई ये
everyone
सबसे बेकार बंदा लगा मुझे अभी तक। Gabriel is doing the shittiest questions, क्योंकि इनसे नहीं पता लगा सकते। And the responses from Katie have been average, generic. Zoodle, whatever, उसने भी कुछ नहीं बोला है।
anime? Oh, where does everyone watch anime?
Kiss anime.
Either Netflix or illegal sites. Kiss Anime.
Okay.
Kiss Anime RIP.
Kiss
Actually, Kiss Anime RIP. It used to be a very good website, but अब नहीं चलती है.
Anime, yeah.
Yo,
10
Cat
seconds
said
left.
Kiss Anime RIP. Okay, I am with Cat.
Okay.
I feel okay.
I feel like I didn't say enough.
Who should I vote for? Please tell me.
Oh, इसके पास भी plushie है.
Of Cat.
I think I'm gonna vote Antoine out.
I'll vote for Katie. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm gonna be voting for Jennifer.
I'm gonna vote for Soodle.
ये बिना किसी सेंस के वोट कर रहे हैं.
She was the last one to say rip Kiss Anime. When something as big to the anime community as Kiss Anime dies, like that's the way you react.
This guy, bro.
I think I'm gonna go with Katie.
I'm going to vote for Katie.
I'm fine with Katie being kicked out, by the way. The annoying one goes out first. I think she's a fan.
The person eliminated
Oh,
this
Katie's
round
out.
is Katie.
But I will say right now she was a fan.
I knew it. Y'all agree with me?
Oh.
She's-
It's not me. I am an anime fan. I
Yep.
promise.
I knew it.
You will have 10 minutes
Oh नहीं अच्छा रिवील नहीं किया. She's just defending herself.
to prove that you're an anime
ये वर्चुअल हो रहा है by the way. I thought ये usually physically होता है. जब सारे साथ में होते हैं ज़्यादा मजा आता है.
super fan by taking a photo of your anime related possessions or collectibles.
I already got it on my desktop.
You guys will have 10 minutes to do this and the time starts now.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. So this is Kurt. Kurt के पास है Demon Slayer वाली hoodie. इसके पास Kuruma वाला mask, Dragon Ball Z, JoJo reference, Evangelion, bro. Evangelion is hard anime. Not a lot of people watch it. उसके बैक के ऊपर पैनल वाला कार्ड है and we have Spirited Away. ठीक है.
I've put out my truth.
Kurt is clear.
Okay, that's
look
pretty
at that.
cool.
He has a Naruto shirt.
He's got a
Kurt got it. dude.
JoJo's Bizarre Adventure hat. Okay, a Dragon Ball hat.
If that's not from Spirited Away, I'm screwed.
Unless it's all borrowed. I'm kidding.
It could be
Oh,
all
damn.
borrowed.
Ooh.
हाँ, see इसके पास भी पूरे के पूरे cosplay. I see Nezuko का. I see a random kimono. Dude, she has a lot of cosplays. ऊपर even Konosuba की और RWBY के they have figurines.
Cosplay.
Sorry, I'm not.
See, this is something that you cannot borrow. ये इतने सारे कपड़े उसी के हैं. I could have said Kurt borrowed something, but नहीं, Kurt भी clear है मेरे लिए.
The queen with the things in this picture made me poor for loving anime.
I think I'm gaining the trust of the people.
Yeah.
Nezuko-chan.
Nezuko-chan.
Nezuko is the clearest one.
That is definitely anime flex.
This is definitely
मुझे देखना है
anime, like,
Antoine का
wow,
और Gabriel
I feel
का.
accepted.
ये Gabriel का है. Okay, let's see. MHA उसके पास मिनेता का pillow है. That's so weird, bro. How creepy do you have to be to have a मिनेता का pillow? I mean, what the hell, bro? तो उसके साथ सोता है मुंह लगा के. वो इतना creepy आदमी है और तो उसके साथ सोता है. Akira की manga is goated. We have Naruto का frog वाला change collector, whatever. We have a couple of figurines, एक Pikachu. Is this Ken Kaneki? It is Ken Kaneki. We have JoJo. We have Whitebeard. Okay, he's a One Piece fan, bro. We have Chopper. We have Attack on Titan. नीचे manga भी भाई साहब इसके पास सामान है, bro. Even Code Geass. यार ये for some reason these all feel like he's borrowed stuff from other people. नहीं तो बंदा इतनी सारी चीजें होने के बाद ना थोड़ा फ्लेक्स करता है. रूम में पड़ी होती हैं. और ये जोजो वाला जो है, that's funny. काताकुरी भी है. I missed that. काताकुरी भी है.
Oh my
Alright,
gosh.
we got Akira.
I am
we got
here for these classics.
This is very random. I got 3 of One Piece. Dragon Ball की 2, then MHA, Death Note भी पड़ी है पीछे. Very
They
random.
really were. He has my trust.
I don't care about the Vanetta.
Dude, everyone's gotta love the Mineta body pillow.
Worst character. The
Worst
rest I can
character,
respect,
yes.
though.
Why do you have a Mineta body pillow, bro? What is wrong with you?
I love
No guy should have it, irrespective.
frog.
I know this isn't anime, but I love the frog. Wait a second.
Whoa,
This is a
whoa. Who said that? I know this isn't anime, but I love the frog. Jennifer, what did you do? You gave it away, bro.
Wait a second.
It's
This
a
is like
Naruto
This
reference.
is Naruto's like froggy wallet.
Yes.
This is anime. Oh, Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Oh, Jennifer.
She should have just shut up, bro. Either she hasn't watched Naruto, which is fair, but who doesn't know that it's an anime reference? Okay, we have Antoine. Antoine was he's a manga collector and a Gundam collector, dude. Okay, I have respect for Antoine. He has a very shitty Pikachu plushie, जो कि I think 200 रुपए का आपको सरोजनी से मिल जाएगा. And a very cursed T-shirt, जिसमें Full Metal के दो बहुत प्यारे characters fusion हो रहे हैं. Okay, these guys have cursed items. Alright, fine.
There's the Full Metal Alchemist. Too soon.
Okay, he has Berserk. ये क्या है? I don't think I've. Is this Gundam? Okay, this is Gundam. Hellsing, nice. Shaman King. Is that a manga? Oh, Digimon, bro. He has Digimon.
Bro, not cool.
Let's see, he had a Pikachu,
That's pretty cool.
Shaman King, Ragnarok, Escaflowne. Oh, wow.
If y'all don't know the he's talking about,
Oh, she knows. She knows the reference from Brotherhood, Full Metal. Okay.
it's okay, you don't have to know.
Dude, Jennifer, you did not know Naruto ka reference. What is wrong with you? Okay, let's see what Jennifer has. We have this T-shirt, which is actually very cool. I would have that. उसके बाद scrunchies हैं. Anime वाले scrunchies are unique. She has Pokemon. She has a couple more. Oh, they do Bowser. This is Nintendo, bro. This is not anime. She has this reference जो वो अपने friend के साथ बता रही थी. This Pikachu, this Kirby again. Okay, Jennifer, very sus. I see a lot of Nintendo characters and not a lot of anime.
Okay, she got some plushies. Ooh, okay.
I trust them.
I don't.
Some of this isn't anime though. These are just
But हाँ उसने बोला कि she got the reference of Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood of the dog and the girl.
And I'm suspicious of Jennifer now.
I am.
I feel like everyone's gonna react and be like, it's not enough.
Did you play Danganronpa?
It's not enough. It is not enough, Jennifer. I think उसने सिर्फ एक anime देखा है and she's got like other plushies from her friends. That's what's up.
Oh my god.
I have had the Pikachu clock for many years.
he's mine now. I'm stealing the Pikachu clock.
Alright, we have Zoodle. Oh, Banana Fish. She's a Banana Fish fan. AOT, MHA references. She has like case के अंदर Tsunade, Annie और All Might. Wow. Okay, she's a fan. And उसने obviously cosplay भी किया हुआ था Tsunade का. Alright, I'll give it to
She
Zoodle.
has hella banana fish.
Oh, the Funko Pops.
I love the plushies.
Sure.
Yeah, good stuff.
I'm crying.
Short time.
Funko Pop are mint condition though. ऐसा ये collector ही करता है. बताऊँ ये कोई मजाक नहीं है.
Everything came out strong, and that's
Jennifer.
why I'm concerned.
And Tony's collection. I love it.
Antoine had good stuff, but it was all like anime from like 10 years ago. So
That's fine, dude. I think Antoine is clear because वो थोड़ा OG anime collector है. और Gundam किसी के पास होना और इतनी सारी manga and I think some of them were legit off series. So he's a collector.
That's why I'm like,
But yeah, I'll so number 1 sus is for Jennifer. Number 2 sus is for Antoine.
little suspicious.
Right now, I have to go with Kat. They could just be a
What?
cosplayer, not necessarily like a real anime fan.
Kat's closet was very low key. It didn't have much in it.
I'm so sorry, Antoine. I'm gonna vote for you, but
Bullshit.
I'm voting for you because I feel like you're voting for me.
You're
Actually,
sus.
a little suspicious of Jennifer based on the picture. So
Her merch is very little. It's more of games than anime.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I am most suspicious of Jennifer.
Yes.
I gotta vote for
Let's
Jennifer.
get her
I gotta
out.
Trust my heart. I gotta believe in
Let's
the heart
get
of
Jennifer
cards.
out, baby.
Yu-Gi-Oh reference.
The votes are in,
don't-
and the person eliminated
vote
this
suspicious of
round
What?
is Jennifer.
Let's go. Okay, I think Cat is clear. Okay, see you say that.
Good luck, everyone. I'll be playing Fire Emblem Fates Revelation.
ये लड़की gamer है. She's not an anime fan. She's a gamer.
Hey everybody.
Oh, now they see each other.
Kurt! I knew it. Okay, sorry.
Uh-oh.
Antoine got excited because I knew it, bro. I knew you were the same race that I was. What was that, bro?
Person will get 30 seconds to tell everyone a story about an experience you had related to anime.
Oh, that's
this is when I went
interesting.
to ACON in Fort Worth, Texas. If you guys haven't been there, it's kind of like Cowboy City. And so none of my friends cosplayed at all, and we went to go get dinner. And because I was
Okay.
a poor student, we had to stay far away from the con center.
I think cat is clear, bro.
So we went to get breakfast at this like old-timey diner, and I was the only one in cosplay, and I was just surrounded by like grandmas and grandpas who had like no idea why this weirdo girl was dressed up like so out of
Oh.
place. And I think that was like probably one of my most embarrassing stories that's kind of related to like a Cotter anime. Whatever, just like live your life.
Okay.
I was actually introduced to anime by my parents. Not
Parents.
They didn't know it was that though. My dad showed me Speed Racer because he grew up watching that.
Oh
And
no
then-
way, dude. By the way, Speed Racer, very underrated, very old, goated anime.
I didn't know it was anime. He didn't know it was anime. I watched it and then I was like, yo, this is cool. They talk a little funny, but it's cool. And over time, I started to learn about it and I really
Yeah.
enjoyed it. Got into proper with Full Metal Alchemist. I feel like a lot of people.
Yeah,
And Dragon Ball Z and then, you know, Shonen Trap.
What's wrong with Shonen?
Then I like
Shonen
it so much.
Trap,
It made it
yeah.
part of my career. I make videos about it all the time. I talk about it all the time. I mess with it and I yield my time.
Okay.
I'm normally a very shy person, and I don't.
She's not a shy person. Somebody who cosplays as Tsunade, with experience, I know, not a shy person. But yeah, she's a
and we
fan of
make,
MHA.
Like public target TikTok videos, and if you've seen them, you probably have, because they always blow up for
Ah.
some reason. She actually got me out of my shell and cosplaying
Oh.
in public.
Yep.
Oi, I've seen her videos.
Either way, it
I
got
think-
me out of my.
I'm not sure. But I'll give her, she's clear. अगर जेनिफर, वैसे तो मेरे हिसाब से जेनिफर ही थी 100%. But if not Jennifer, then Gabriel.
For me, it's Anime Expo I went to about 2 years ago, and one of my favorites is Samurai Champloo, and I like Jean. I think Jean's
Oh, fantastic choice, bro. Samurai Champloo is insane. Antoine is now cleared.
completely underrated. Mugen gets all the attention, and I went as him, right? So when I went to the convention, everybody kept coming up to me and asking me like, "Oh, who are you, Afro Samurai?" But like
What a
with
guy.
the Yasuke look. I don't know if you guys know Yasuke, but he's
People get confused with Champloo and Samurai, Afro Samurai.
the black samurai who was in Japan, and most of the convention I had to like keep correcting people.
Me and my friends were at a bowling alley, and then two of my friends got to the side of me, and like I held out the ball like a razor shuriken from Naruto, and they started like throwing like their chakra in there, and I started like screaming like super.
ये I told you, ये cringe बंदा है भाई. ये bowling खेलने जाता है और फिर वहाँ पे चक्रा बनाना शुरू कर देता है. Also, it's called Rasengan, Gabriel. I have shak on you.
Loud in the bowling alley, and then I sent the ball, and it would have been super cringy if it wasn't for the fact that I got a strike.
Bullshit.
It's like the best strike of my life. Like I will never try it again, because if
He's lying. He is lying.
I do, it will just soil its memory. I saved it. The video will never leave my phone. Posted it online.
Oh.
Went kind
Oh, he has the video. Okay, now I'm confused.
of viral. That's how it is.
Okay.
That round felt the best because I feel like we
Maybe he just did that. वो video बना भी तो सकता है just for the sake of this video.
all vibed with each other.
I just resonated with the stories. Like with Antoine, like, yo, I think he gets me.
Zoodle safe for sure.
I'm gonna vote for Kurt.
Yeah,
just
Antoine और Kurt का तो bromance चल रहा है अब तो. Now that they've seen each other,
because I need to vote for someone.
If I had to get someone out,
Kurt
it's
is not it.
Gabriel.
I think it's
The Kurt clear है, Cat clear है और Doodle whatever the Tsunade लड़की clear है.
I think it's Cat.
I think because there's so few of us left, anyone who gets like 2 votes is like
Yeah.
gone.
I'm gonna choose Gabriel just
Gabriel.
because he said Shorter couldn't compare to Mineta and don't diss Mineta like
No, I
that.
think that's not a good logic to get Gabriel out. Gabriel is out only because he doesn't know it's called Rasengan.
I'm coming for you, buddy. You should already know I was coming for you.
And the person eliminated
Gabriel
this
is out.
round is Gabriel.
No.
It was the Mineta
यार it's
comment.
tough. By the way, मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं पहले देखते ही पहचान जाऊंगा कौन है, and I was very sure कि it's Tsunade. But I think it was Jennifer, and Jennifer is already out. वो पहला बंदा जो निकला वो फालतू में
Oh
नहीं
no,
गया.
you were.
I stand by what I said.
this
Mineta
is stupid.
is a king among kings.
He's not.
And there's nothing that can take that away from him.
Bullshit.
If everyone feels confident that you already caught them all,
I
you
think
can
so.
end the game now. Give me a thumbs up if you want to continue the game, or a thumbs down
End the
if
game.
you think you caught them all.
It was Jennifer. मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ, उन्होंने आंसर नहीं बताया है. I think they caught it and I think they won.
And want to end the
Oh, I
game.
think video भी खत्म हो रहा. Oh no.
I'm down for stop, right?
Well-
Okay.
Oh, thumbs down. Okay.
If it's one of y'all, I'm gonna be livid.
Yeah, I agree. अगर इन चारों में से कोई है, दोनों cosplayers clear हैं. Kurt तो मैंने starting से ही clear कर दिया था. Antoine was थोड़ा dicey. If Antoine gets it and he wins, I will flip my keyboard right here, right now. All right, the results. Result
If
time.
it's green, you guys win.
Oh, I doing it like that, yo.
If the box is red, the
Oh.
mole is still in the game and you guys lost.
Oh
You guys ready?
no. Okay.
Yeah.
Green, green,
In
green.
3,
3,
2,
2.
1.
Oh, it's red. What? Antoine, it was you. You son of a gun. It's red. Who did it? What?
It was not me. I promise I'm not the
It was
mole.
not Cat. It's not Kurt. Who is it? Antoine.
Last trial.
Abey, bhai, Gabriel. Oh, how was Jennifer not it? I am so okay. Just because of the anime that she likes is only one anime, and उसने Full Metal का भी दिया था. Okay, this is. I'm actually in shock. Catty was not it. वो मैंने पहले बोल दिया था. Jennifer was supposed to be it. Gabriel. चल ठीक है, तू मिनेता पसंद करता है. You have your own fetishes, but what? Please don't be Kurt. Please. क्योंकि कर्ट को मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि ये बंदा तो सेफ है. अगर कर्ट होगा मेरे को बहुत दुख होगा. अगर एंटोन होगा आई विल बी लाइक ओके, मेरे को लाइक 60% पता था वो है, बट मैंने चल जाने
We're
दिया.
gonna have the mole reveal
Mole.
him or herself.
Do it. Who is it?
3, 2, 1.
Top 10 anime betrayal.
अबे cringe आदमी भाई. Okay, Antoine. See, I told you, it was not Kurt. It was not the two cosplayers. Jennifer, I will tell you, Jennifer, you did wrong. तुमने बहुत बड़ी गलती करी by having game वाले plushies. That was the thing that threw me off and told me कि Jennifer it is. Antoine की story, bro. Bro was like, नहीं मैं ये शैम्पू वाला करके गया था और फिर लोग सोच रहे थे कि मैं Afro Samurai. That is insane. Bro did his research. What?
Yeah, I'm sorry, Jennifer. I thought you were the mole.
I am a geek, but I'm just not an anime geek. I like Harry Potter. Star Wars is big for me. I also love Game of Thrones.
That's why he knew कि मुझे कैसे react करना है.
I do like some anime, and I'm very, very much in love.
And भाई was like आते ही जैसे कैमरा ऑन हुआ, he was like, whoa, let's go. I knew it, Kurt, bro. और उसको पसंद भी Avatar है. Avatar is technically an American cartoon. It's not an anime.
Avatar: The Last Airbender, but that isn't actually considered anime. I've only watched Samurai Champloo, Bebop, most of Miyazaki, and that's pretty much it.
Oh, so he's not a super fan, but जो उसने देखे हैं उसने उतना बता दिया. But then where did he get the manga? उसने दोस्त से ली भाई.
Whose shirt is that, dog?
Oh, this shirt.
Whose shirt is that, bro?
This shirt belongs to my friend Devin White. I'm
Oh,
gonna use it
wait.
right now.
Heard all of us. To get to that was the most malicious thing you could have done.
You did your homework. Good job.
Oh my god.
बेचारी को इसको कैटी को तो कुछ मौका ही नहीं मिला करने का भाई, उसको पहले ही भगा दिया.
Can we wait? Can we all be friends? Can we all like make a Discord together or something and like watch anime together?
I don't care about you guys, dude. Do whatever you want. Make your Discord shit. Alright, I am in shock. I thought कि मैं पकड़ लूँगा, but apparently मेरा experience enough नहीं है. Even though I am a fan, I'm not the super fan. But नहीं, इनको भी नहीं पता लगा. ये भी तो super fan थे. Screw you guys, dude. I loved this, by the way. Let me know if you think I should watch more of these videos. I think एक और है जो कि 30 मिनट की है, which is called Anime Hater. Can you find the Anime Hater? जिसमें कि 5 लोग हैं जो anime lover हैं और एक है Anime Hater. This I thought was going to be the easy one. ये मुश्किल पड़ा. I don't know अगर मैं Anime Hater वाला कर पाऊँगा. We'll find out. Let's try that one in the next video. Let me know in the comments अगर तुम वो देखना चाहते हो. Also let me know कि अगर तुमने Antoine को पकड़ लिया था मेरे से पहले, कि मैंने तो पकड़ा ही नहीं भाई, मैं तो I genuinely lost. That is so crazy. I thought Antoine was clear and Jennifer was it. Bullshit, bro. चलो, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए anime देखते रहो. Bye bye.